Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back, my esteemed students, to a new lesson of English. Lesson number 7. And this lesson has the title of writing. In this lesson, we will learn how to compare and contrast between things, and to be more specific, between languages, Arabic and English. Let's do the first task. Task number A. Preparation for writing. Work in pairs and discuss the differences between English and Arabic writing. In your notebook, make notes about the following: the script, then punctuation and capital letters, then spelling, silent consonants, and any other differences. So let's begin with script or writing. In Arabic, we can't write separately, whereas in English we can write separately. I mean, if we want to write in Arabic, we can't write every letter by itself. We have to link between the letters to form a word, whereas in English we can write letters separately. What about punctuation? Punctuation in English and Arabic is similar, because in each of these two languages we have commas, full stops, semicolon, and so on. But in English we have to begin the sentences with capital letters, whereas in Arabic we don't have capital letters, and so on. Now let's move to practice number C in our course book, page number 96. Complete the facts about Arabic with a suitable word in each space. Here we have 8 spaces. We have to fill in these spaces with suitable words. Arabic is spoken by around 250 million people as a first language. There are 3 types of Arabic. The first is classical Arabic. So the first type is the classical Arabic, which is used in religious texts and poetry and taught in schools. Classical Arabic taught in schools. Secondly, there is modern standard Arabic. Which is used for news, speeches, lectures, signs, and for meetings, for conferences between Arab speakers of different nationalities. Now let's talk about the third kind. Thirdly, there is the group of varieties of colloquial Arabic, which people use for everyday communication. There are 27 different varieties of colloquial Arabic, including Libyan, which is spoken by 5 million people. Now, after reading this text and after filling in the spaces, we can see the answers, my students. Here are the answers. You can look at them carefully and you can write them in your books. Now let's do something else. Practice number A on workbook, page number 55. Number A says, use the table below and your notes from exercise number A on course book, page number 96, to write a paragraph in your notebook comparing Arabic and English writing. Use words and phrases from the books. However, although, whereas, on the other hand. Here we have an example. The Arabic alphabet has 28 letters, whereas the English alphabet only has 26. So here we have two columns. The first one on the left, which talks about Arabic, and the right one under the right one we have English. Yes, and we have to compare between the alphabet of these two languages. Arabic has 28 letters, whereas English has 26 letters. Now for vowels, in Arabic vowel marks not always used, in English vowel letters always used. Shape of letters changes depending on position in word, stays the same in English. What about letters? In Arabic usually joined, linked together, but in English only joined in handwriting. And then reading direction from right to left in Arabic, and always from left to right in English. Here we have some possible answers. Arabic and English writing is very different indeed. First of all, the Arabic alphabet has 28 letters, whereas the English alphabet has only 26. Also, although Arabic has marks to represent vowels, these aren't always used. In Arabic, the shape of a letter can change depending on whether it's at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word. In English, on the other hand, the shape of letters always stays the same. This is a very big difference to get used to. Also, in both written and printed Arabic, any letters which can be joined are usually joined, whereas in English letters are only joined in handwriting. Most people know that Arabic is read from right to left, whereas English is read from left to right, and the contrary of Arabic. However, they often don't realize that numbers in Arabic are read in the same direction as in English. Let's do the following exercise number B. You are going to write an article about Arabic for people who want to learn the language. Follow the steps below. We have 3 steps here. Write a short introduction with some facts about Arabic. Use information from course book page number 95 and the notes about vocabulary that you made in lesson number 6. Write a paragraph comparing English and Arabic. Choose some of the points about grammar, pronunciation, and writing that you have studied in this unit. Use connecting words and the passive. Number 3. Write a concluding paragraph giving advice about learning Arabic. Use words and phrases from the books. You should or you shouldn't, don't, it's a good idea, it's important to do or not to do something, it's best or it's best not to do something. Here we want to talk about Arabic language. So Arabic language is one of the mostly common spoken languages. In fact, Arabic is the 5th common language in the world. Around 300 million people speak Arabic around the globe. Classical Arabic is the language of the Quran, the Holy Quran, which is the sacred book of Muslims around the world. There are a lot of facts and information about the Arabic language that are going to be explained in the coming lines. There are 2 Arabic versions. Arabic language can be divided into 2 versions: modern Arabic and classical Arabic. Classical Arabic is the official language and it's the language of the Quran. Classical Arabic doesn't change, and it's the only way for you to learn Arabic language in an academic way. It's used in formal situations. It's also used in newspaper, books, academic researchers, and study books. As classical Arabic is most used in written context, modern Arabic is used in the daily spoken context. Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters. Learning Arabic alphabet is the first step to learn Arabic language. If you are interested to learn Arabic writing, you need to know some information. Arabic is a language that is written from right to left. Arabic is written in the cursive way. To learn Arabic alphabet and to learn Arabic writing, you need to pay much attention to dots. Dots are used to differentiate a letter from another. A single dot, which may be added by mistake, can make a certain word mean a completely different meaning. Now, after reading this text, we can conclude this lesson number 7, which has the title of writing, and it focuses on comparing and contrasting between Arabic and English. We can say to everybody of you, my students, see you later and have a good time.